What is up, you guys? Welcome back to part 2 of the E85 video for my F80 M3. I had shot more footage for part 1. I don't know if you guys saw that video, but I don't know what the hell happened to that footage. But yeah, this is basically part 2 of that video. In this video, you see me and my friend Greg tune a new revision that Kerry Jordan had sent me for the E85 tune. And we basically take it out and test it. It got us a little bit more power, and it got us a little bit bigger flames than last time. Last time was like, it was like one little baby flame or something like that, but now the pops and bangs are a little louder and the flames are a little bit bigger. You guys be the judge in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, without further ado, enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, today's a new day. As you can tell, I took my wheels off, my rear wheels only, because I actually needed new tires. I was over there data logging with some really messed up tires. That's why I was losing traction like a lot. I'll show you guys the tires right now, but yeah, went ahead and jacked up the car, took both the wheels off. I ordered some new tires, which are at the tire shop right now. So I loaded these up. Look at this, guys. The thread was showing the entire time. It's got a lot of like camber wear on it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, go to the tire shop and throw on some new tires. Jordan actually sent me a revision already. It's the first revision. So I need to send them back some better data logs with this new revision. So these new tires should help, because sometimes I have to lift because it's losing too much traction. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these new tires on and get back home, throw them back on the car. Alright guys, I just got back home. Got the fresh tires on there now. They're just some cheap old tires. I always go through them anyway, so there's no point in getting expensive ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and unload this and throw them on the car. Alright guys, the new tires are finally on. I'm waiting for Greg to come to my house right now. We're actually going to be taking my car, getting some gas, filling it up with E85 because it's almost low already. I only get like 120 miles on a full tank, and that's insane. I used to get like 250, like basically double the gas mileage. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, E85 burns a lot quicker. Yes, it's a lot cheaper. It's only $3 a gallon compared to almost $5 right now. Thank you, Joe Biden. But yeah, waiting for Greg to come to my house. We're gonna be taking the car, tuning the new revision tune, because right now I'm on the base map. If you guys remember early on in the video, I tuned it with the base map tune that Kerry Jordan sent me. He actually revised the data log that I sent him, sent me a new one. So now I gotta tune that onto the car and then send another data log to him so he can send me another revision, and then so on and so forth. But that'll probably be the end of this video. So yeah, let's wait for him to get here and then we'll head to the gas station. Hey bot, thanks for coming. No problem. Alright guys, I just filled up a full tank of E85. I'm gonna go ahead and tune the new tune on here now. What the fuck?
Did it just open with my face?
How the fuck did that just open with your face?
Oh fuck, I think it saw your face. Like,
but no way, it wasn't even here though. It went to a black screen. You plugged it in and it just opened.
I guess it looked like, hey.
What the? Alright, the tune was a success. We can go ahead and start the car now. Let's go ahead and drive it, see how it feels.
Alright guys, we just filled up some ethanol. We flashed it to the first revision. And we are data logging.
Ready to data log. I'm gonna do 2 third gear pulls from 2500 to 6500 to 7, around there, and then I'll do 2 fourth gear pulls. The people behind me are probably pissed right now.
Yep. All right, send it.
Is it on?
Yep.
Data log?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely bogging.
It bogged, but not as bad. It's your spark plugs, 100%. Now do one solid one. After you go from 2.5 all the way to 6, shift to 4th or 5th. You gotta upshift so he sees.
I'll do a 4th gear up till 5th.
Yeah. As soon as you hit.
He also said drive around a couple.
Yeah. He just wants to see the upshift to see what happens in between shifts.
It's a good thing I caught that bug right on it though.
Yep.
Because you never know, that might also be something else.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you guys can see that, but we hit boost pre-throttle 25.6.
No way.
Yeah. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's 25 PSI.
Alright guys, this is a 4th gear pull to 5th.
Hella bog.
Bro, was that bog or clutch?
It's bogging. That noise?
RPMs were jumping.
We're jumping? It was either you're burning out or it was clutch. It sounded like clutch. When it goes and then, yeah, mine does it too. That's probably clutch.
Should I go 3rd this time?
Yeah, go to 3rd. Alright, go. Shift. Let out. Yeah, it's bog, bro. It's just bog. That was a good pull. That was a really good pull. Alright guys, so we just finished doing some data log pulls. Gonna get you guys a nice little flame shot. Alright, go Todd. Yep. Hold on. Hold on. I can't fucking hear, bro. Fuck. I can't hear. There's flames, yeah. It's going out of focus, though. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. Woo! That was it. Money shot. Alright, well, there you have it. Got that nice money shot video.
Yep.
Now we're
I think
headed back home.
That last flame was pretty good. It's good enough to end this video on, right?
Thumbnail.
No, that's definitely a thumbnail picture.
Alright, we'll catch you guys when we get home.